In this video, I will show you how to uninstall K-Lite Codec Pack from your Windows computer or laptop. So to do this, you have to go to Start menu, then go to Settings. If you cannot find the setting option, just search Settings here. I'll click the setting option. Now in the left sidebar, you will see the apps option. Just click on apps. Then click on installed apps. Now you have to find the K-Lite Codec Pack. From here you can search the app's name here, or you can scroll down to find the apps. Here you see the K-Lite Codec Pack. Now click on three dot and you will see the uninstall option. Just click uninstall and a pop-up will come in front of you. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Click uninstall. A pop-up will come in front of you. Just click yes, and you have to select the reason for uninstalling. Just select any of this and then click continue. Then press yes to uninstall the K-Lite Codec Pack. And you see the K-Lite Codec Pack has gone. So by following this easy process, you can easily uninstall K-Lite Codec Pack from your computer or laptop.